Now here, let's say find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. Here they not give any data, right? Except here they provide this and this parallel and this line parallel, right? Those are the information, right? Okay, right. Here you need to know this theorem first of all. When you have two line parallel, we have learned this angle plus this angle will be 180. That means these are we call interior allied angle, right? Allied angle. These are so co-interior. These two add up to 180. You need to remember that. Okay, so that's why if this is x, this plus this 180 mean if you know this one, you can get this. Now if this is 100, this will be 80, because from 180 if you subtract 100 this value, you can get this angle value. It's like that. You can get this angle. Now these two line parallel, no? So if this is x, this will be, you can name this as 180 minus x, right? 180 minus x, like this one. Same way, if this x, this also you can name like that. I mean this line to this line parallel, no? Like this, this plus this. So that's why if this is x, you can name this as 180 minus x, like that, right? If this is x, this should be 180 minus x, because this angle plus this should be 180, right? Try to remember that, right? This plus this 180. So if you know this x, you can name this as 180 minus x. This also 180 minus x. Now this parallelogram, no, anyway, because opposite sides are parallel. That means this opposite angle also should be equal, right? Now it's correct, no? 180 minus x, here also 180 minus x. Anyway, now if I make this way, here line like this, right? If I make some construction here, right? This angle and this angle again equal to add up to 180. But before then, I need to use another theorem. If this is 180 minus x, this will be how much? What the value of this one? We learned this. From same 2 point, go to center. From same 2 point, go to circumference, right? Like this. From same 2 point A and C, go to center O, and then from A and C, same 2 point, go to circumference, like this. Here, this two angle has connection, but what the value of here doesn't matter. This will be half of that, right? Now if this is 100, this will be 50. If this is 60, this will be 30. Like that, you can name this angle how 180 minus x, because this angle divide by 2. This angle, half of this angle will be equal to this. So that's why I can write 180 minus x here. So here will be 180 minus x divided by 2. Try to understand what the value here. If you divide by that, you can get this angle, right? That's the reason here, right? Then, like I told you earlier, now we can make an equation. This will be equal to this, right? This one will be equal to this plus this will be 180. Sorry, not equal, because this is a cyclic quadrilateral. No, anyway, this is cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle supplementary. That means this angle plus this angle should be again equal to 180. So I will write that 180 minus x over 2. That means this angle plus this angle we got 180 minus x, like that. Then when you add this, both angle should be equal to 180 again, right? Try to understand. It's not a big deal, right? Anyway, now how to solve this one? This is like a equations. No, this is a equation. So how to do? Now in this term, I can think here we have 1, right? So to remove this 2, what I will do, I will multiply by 2 this all the terms, including this side, right? Right side also. So if I thought here 1, Then I will multiply this one by 2. This also multiply by 2. Here also I need to put bracket. Then this also multiply by 2. Right. Now I can cut this 2 to this 2. Then here will be just 180 minus x. Here by 2 I need to multiply this both. So what the answer? 2 into 180 mean it will be 360. And 2 into minus 2 minus x mean minus 2x. 2 into x 2x. Plus into minus minus, no. So 2 into x 2x, right. Here will be 180 into 2 mean again 360, right. Try to understand. Okay, now here 180 plus 360, yeah, it will be 540. Or someone can write this into this side, right. 360 into this side. Okay, no, I will show you that 180 plus 360 mean 540, right. 540. And minus x minus 2x mean minus 3x, right. Try to understand here, like minus 1x, here minus 2x, minus 1x minus 2x mean minus 3x. Or you can think, when you have same sign, we put the same sign and sum. That means here minus, here minus, put the minus sign, and then 1 plus 2, that means 3, right, like that. Minus 1x minus 2x. Or you can enter to calculator at the minus 1 and minus 2, then you will get minus 3. So here minus 3x. Try to understand that part. Here 360. Okay, now what I need to do? Now minus 3x be into this side, 360 be into this side, right. So 540 minus 360, right, because here plus 360, no, when I bring to here it will be minus. Then here minus 3x, when I bring to other side it will be plus 3x. Now here 180, that means 540 minus 360 mean 180, here 3x, right. Then both sides you should divide by 3, then you can get value of x. So here will be 180 divided by 3 means 60. So 60 degree. That's the value of x, right. Here calculations you can do some other way also, because you can do this way, 360 into this side, and minus x minus 2x into other side, this side. So that way also someone can do, but this is the method I feel easy to understand, that's why I did that way, right. Anyway, x is equal to 60 degree.